Welcome back, everyone, and good Saturday morning. It's the weekend, and here is what you can expect. First things first, outside, satellite and radar, keeping an eye on some low-level stratus clouds moving in from the south to the north. We're expecting mostly cloudy skies today as we keep an eye on a nice warm-up to start our weekend. Now, here's that warm front. It's on the way. It's already here, and we're seeing a pretty dramatic change in temperatures even this early in the morning. And by the afternoon, it's going to get even warmer. So some nice weather on the way despite all the cloud cover this afternoon. Now, that's what's happening today with the warm front at the surface. Our jet stream, though, telling us what's happening next. This little pocket of cooler air is on the way, and it's going to slide into Kansas as we head into Sunday. So enjoy the nice warm temperatures today because it'll be a little bit different tomorrow as we move back towards that freezing level for our Sunday. Nice start to the day outside Junction City. Pretty calm for right now. We are seeing some possible freezing drizzle over the next few hours thanks to that warm front, but very similar picture outside Holton, a light breeze in the area. That drizzle hasn't started just yet, and even if when it does start, it's going to be patchy at best, so not everyone will see some. Temperatures in the lower 30s, right at that freezing mark here in Topeka. It only feels like 24 though, so even though we're expecting that warm up today, it's still a very chilly start to the day, so I would highly recommend bundling up. Lower to middle 30s across much of the I-70 corridor, 36 for Emporia, upper 20s still hanging out in the north, and 19 for Concordia, holding on to that cool spot for the time being. By this afternoon, a wide variety of temperatures will be expected. Upper 30s for our northern viewing area, lower to middle 40s for much of the I-70 corridor, lower 40s down south as well. And then this little pocket of warm air coming in from the south could be seeing a few lower 50s on the map by this afternoon. So again, that's today. Some nice warm weather as that warm front moves first. And then we have to talk about this evening heading into tomorrow morning. A cold front moving through is going to bring back those cooler temperatures right away. Upper teens for our northern viewing area, lower to middle 20s elsewhere, maybe some lower 30s to start the day further south. But overall, expect that cooler weather back in the forecast. By the afternoon, we're only going to be seeing those lower to middle 30s once again. So a bit of a roller coaster in true Kansas fashion as we take on our weekend. Wind speeds ahead for us out of the south for the time being, 10 to 15 miles an hour as that warm front moves through the area. And then notice this change in direction right here. Winds coming out of the north, again, 5, maybe 10 miles an hour. That's that cold front coming through for the second half of the day, mostly towards the late evening tonight, late afternoon, early evening. Future track, here's what we're watching. A couple of fronts moving through the area. We're going to see some unsettled weather. We're going to see that cloud cover. And for the morning hours, all these pink dots popping up right here, this is models trying to indicate some drizzle or freezing drizzle just after sunrise. And notice it's mostly for the eastern portion of the viewing area, and that drizzle possibly turning into all rain by about lunchtime today. And then mostly cloudy skies are expected for the second half of our Saturday. So that takes care of the first half of the weekend. And then heading into early Sunday, again, a couple different fronts moving through. You're going to see some unsettled weather. This model trying to hint at a few snowflakes early tomorrow morning. If we do see anything, it'll be very, very minimal impacts. But for the most part, I think it'll just be mostly cloudy skies as we head into Sunday. By the afternoon, though, we clear up rather quickly, mostly sunny skies by the afternoon. Here's our forecast for the week. 46 today. Again, it's going to be very nice. Some spots trying to see lower 50s, other spots trying to see upper 30s. So it just depends on where you live today as these fronts move through northeast Kansas. 34 for Sunday. We're watching 43 by Monday. That's where a warming trend comes back into the forecast yet again. Upper 50s by Wednesday and Thursday.